Dr. Sterling, and today we're going to be adjusting my friend Danielle. And have you ever been adjusted?
Never, no.
Let's see how we did. Good. Okay, so let me just do a couple tests. It's just gonna give me an idea of if there's any other areas to concentrate on. Just gonna test. And don't let me twist out. Solid, clean. Are you not sure how to think about it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to process
It feels
this for you.
nice.
Just see what you kind of notice. Like, you may or may not.
A lot less tension in the shoulder.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
Like, significant amount. And in my neck here.
Yeah. Awesome.
Really good. Didn't hurt. It was awesome.
Good.
You were good at
Awesome.
explaining everything. Thank you.
You're very welcome.